model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 310 L2 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps low-roof limited van body, white, panel van mileage, 98,236 MOT, the 12th of February 2024 engine, 2,198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Underpowered, turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, air-con, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £11,450. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.